Hey guys, we received this XN smart smoke detector with voice alerts. So you can put in different locations and a Wi-Fi smoke alarm with a SBS50 base station. So this have a app, you can control it and get the notification, or this is a wireless interconnected fire alarm. So let me just open and test and try. So this is the unboxing. Comes with the three smoke detectors, one base, and then the app and other things. So these are the smoke detector itself. So let me just unpack them. So you can open the cover and you can see there is a battery. So that comes with it. So you have to put in the battery and close. So the same thing. So there are three smoke detectors and one this is the base station. So this is a SBS50 base station. So there's a electric cable with a power cable with it and the adapter. So let me just put in everything and then I will show it to you. So there's a good thing is like you can set up the locations. So see this indicator is on. So this start looking and then the speaker in there and then also for the smoke detector. So let me just start this. So take out this protective battery thing and then start this. It will ask for the location. You have to set the location with the button. So once you send in the location, you can send the entryway, basement, living room, dining room, whatsoever. And then once the location is set, you can just close the cover. So for the base, I think you need to install the app. So I'm just testing this smoke detector and you can see. So the manual describe the process that what you can do and how to do it. This is the QR code for the app. So let me just open up the app and then just do it this one. Once I install the app, it will ask me to add up this, the base. You can see the process for the base and everything. Once this is all set, you can hear the voice that it's connected, and then you can get the notification from the base. So once this is all set and installed, you or the paired, you can see like this is online, so the green light is on. And then with the smoke detector, you can put it in the different places and you can set the location there. And once there is a smoke detected, this will say like the place name and also give the notification on the app or also on the base.
So there are various settings in the app that you can do for the base, for the notification and everything.
So it's pretty nice and the cool thing because you can put it in a different locations and then you can get the notification on the mobile or the app or through the base. and this is pretty handy. You can also test this smoke detector through the app, and you can also close it through the app. So a nice thing to get like everything done, and you can just put it in a different location. You can also interconnect the smoke detector as I'm doing, so you don't need the base station, but it can notify one or each other. So the all the smoke detector can